Hello, welcome back, Blue Bonnet channel, and continuing series of home cooking, Korean style food, and based on original recipe of Paik Jongwon, one of the most famous person, chef and business person in South Korea. And as you see the picture here, this is my results after cooking the first time, and you know it tastes super duper good and easy to follow, and that's why I like Paik Jong-won. I'm gonna show him here a little bit. Okay, yeah, this is the guy. Yeah, so this is the guy. Okay, in Paik Jong-won. This is the original reference video, but it's all the verbal in Korean. Okay, so but good thing is you can using the caption in English you can follow, but still it's not that easy because all the ingredients is localized in Korea. But since I'm living in the United States, if you are English speaker in the United States, probably my video will helpful for you to try out some Korean food. And Japchae, this is one of the most famous the food in South Korea and very popular. Okay, and another the terms to describe the food is a glass noodle with vegetables, and really healthy because all the vegetables, different kinds of spinach, um, onion, green onion, mushroom, what else, and pork, yeah, and that kind of stuff. Let me double check. Okay, what else? The pork, onion, carrot. Yeah, carrot. Yeah, carrot. So it's really helpful. And then you can add more, but this is a simple version. And this is original and complex version and the traditional way, but it's take a much longer time if you're beginner. And I'm kind of cheating and easy simple version. I love it and I tried it out and this really works. And gladly he show kind of shortcut. Okay, so if you want a shortcut, then still tastes good. Um, so yeah, this is my recommendation. Okay, so what else? So ingredients here. So glass noodles, you can buy it from Korean local grocery store. Spinach and pork. Pork, you can buy any pork like neck area, leg, but I use a pork belly, which is not recommended by the Jongwon, Paik Jongwon, but I use it pork belly because I have all the pork belly in my refrigerator, and also he said you can use it, but when you fry it thoroughly. Okay, that's one of the caution. So I did it that way, and then there's a too much fat, then you may cut it and then a little bit lower fat. Okay, that's because you're going to chew the pork with a combination of these vegetables and noodle. So if too a lot of fat there, then it could, you can chew a feeling not that great. Okay, and onion, mushrooms. So any mushroom is okay. All right, the green onion and carrots. So what I like is his measurement. Um, Although this is a gram, but he used a more easier way of like a water cup, small water cup. He show you like this.
문제 없을 겁니다. 가위로
Yeah, see the water cup here.
프라이팬 준비해
Water
주시고
cup.
식용유
Right?
가져가고
So this is it. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. Carrot and then soy sauce. So this is for seasoning. Okay, soy sauce. I suggest Korean soy sauce for cooking, not stew type. Okay, we call jinganjang. All right, and you can buy some Korean. Let me show you. Okay, yeah, there you go. Yeah, so jinganjang. Oh my goodness, it's not hard to say. Hard to see. But anyway, yeah, Korean soy sauce and sugar. The white sugar is okay. 2 tablespoons sesame oil. You can buy it easily from Korean grocery store. Minced garlic and cooking oil, salt, sesame seed. This also you can buy from Korean grocery store. Let me show you here. Not right here. Okay, this is a pork belly. So I'm saying I cut a little bit. If it's frozen, if it thaw a little bit, uh, melted in a couple of minutes or 5 minutes, then you can cut it easily. Because a glass noodle is like long, thin, like a noodle. So all the material should be chopped it out like a matchstick, uh, thin slicing, thin cut. Okay, so that's a recommendation. Right. And then there's two versions. Even the simple version, there's two different versions. There's a stir frying version and then boiling version into the water. So he said this is the easiest, but you have to adjust a little bit of seasoning, more seasoning because of uh, water boiling, right? And so I but recommend it. It's a super short in cooking time, but I still like it this way, and I enjoy it. Okay, so stir frying version. Oh yeah, glass noodle. Put it in the water at least 30 minutes and boil. Recommendation 1 hour, 2 hours, and wash well spinach and thin cut. Yeah, thinly cut. So as I said, match thick cut everything: onion, carrot, green onion, um, mushroom as well. So add cooking oil, frying pan, and stir fry, and pork with salt. Okay, add some salt, and as I said, the amount of everything here, salt. Where is the salt? Yeah, so 1/3 teaspoon. So everything described here. Okay, and then so most important thing is cook pork first. So add oil first, and then add pork and cook it thoroughly. The pork, especially if you're using a pork belly like me. Uh, let me show you a picture. And thoroughly cook so that you don't see any red color at all. Okay. Yeah, this spinach, I rinse it thoroughly, and this is a glass noodle, so pre-soaked for at least 30 minutes, and recommended 1 hour or more. And I added ice to cooling the noodle. Noodle. So let me see. Yeah, and then this is actually the match thick cut everything: onion, green onion, carrot, spinach, and mushroom. Okay, so as I said, cook thoroughly. As you see, the pork, there's no red color at all remained. So then add onion and carrot, because the carrot take a little bit longer time, right? And then mushroom, and then stir fry for a while, and add green onion, and then save spinach for a while, because spinach take a very short time to be cooked. So add everything except spinach, and once you see the onion is like 80% cooked, you can feel that way, then add spinach. The thing is, spinach will be looking like flexible and flimsy like this very quickly. Okay, so wait for it. As soon as the spinach looks like pretty much cooked like this way, and shrinked. Yeah, and then the volume gone, right? And then this is almost ready to go. This is how I serving. So let me show you. So quickly, the same method.
상관없는 거 대파가 나중에 그러면 순서가 뿌려주셔도 되고 돼지고기 어느 정도 익어갈 쯤에서 양파 상관없습니다.
One thing is, you may want to
먹지 마시고 돼지고기를 최우선으로 넣고 아 돼지고기 저 정도면 바로 그냥 먹어.
good match with the pepper powder. So you want to add pepper powder here. Let me see. Yeah, pepper. Yeah, pepper a little bit. Okay. Whew. And then
되게 어느 정도 양파가 풀어졌다 그러면 이제 시금치까지 다 먹는 건 아니니까 이러면 알아서 지가 숨이 죽어요 식으면서.
But he uses a lot of tools. But if you have only one big pot, I use only one big pot. How I did the boil the glass noodle, okay, and then after good glass noodle, and put in the cold water and rinse it, and then put it in a bowl like this. And he showed very in detail how you prepare the noodle, glass noodle, from the original video, the first original traditional video. Okay, so let me see, and then what else? Yeah.
없어도 돼요 소금은. 그러면 팬에다가 식용유 살짝 이건 좀 넉넉하게 누르셔도 돼요. 이건 이건 플러스 알파. 돼지고기를 최우선 다. 맵시나 쟁반에다가 잡채라고 무조건 착해 먹는 건 아니니까. 간마늘,
So add
설탕.
all of seasoning material into the glass noodle bowl, everything. Okay, so garlic, minced garlic, soy sauce, and sugar.
간장,
Yeah.
소금.
And then
이래놓고 당면을 한번 미리미리 주물러 놓으세요.
and mix it well like this.
그 다음에 이거.
And then mix all the vegetables.
뜨거.
So mix it together. So this is
그냥 묻혀서 내셔도 되고 아까 한 대로 만약에 집에 우두유 같은 거 좀 사놓은 거 있으면 아니면
And then
Caramel.
this is for coloring. It's too light, and traditional food is more darker color. So either using a caramel, but he recommended noodles. That is a Chinese version soy sauce. It's a little bit different. They added a little bit more. It's good for frying food. Let me show you here. Yeah, this kind of super dark soy sauce. So you can buy easy from Korea grocery store, okay, or Chinese store, okay. And this is Chinese character, okay. But if you don't have, then caramel is okay. But caramel for only the coloring purpose. But this is a kind of soy sauce and customized soy sauce. So it's actually working as a little bit of soy sauce and make it darker color, okay. So as you see here, and this is a darker, so I added that no do you here. All right, so that's what I'm saying. And the last stage is adding a sesame oil and then put sesame seed. Okay, then the visual looks like this. Okay, yeah, so it tastes really good. My family loves it, and then my kid and wife love it. And this glass noodle is a little bit flat, but typically the round shape. Okay, thin noodle. Yeah, I use this ice water for cooling that once the boil that glass noodle. Okay, and that's yeah, let me show you one more thing here. So original
분은 이거를 이렇게 얇은 당면도 있고 당면 종류가 되게 많이 쓰지 마세요. 등심 갖다 쓰시고 이제는 간가 멍
yeah,
해라보시
show you.
당면은 무조건 양파. 아이 쪽팔려.
It doesn't have. Okay, let me see. Does not work. Please subscribe my channel. I like my video. Leave.
소가 적당할 것 같아. 그래서
Yeah, yeah.
숨이
This is show exactly how you do.
부르죠. 그럼 시금치를 자 금방 풀어졌죠. 하나 둘 셋 넷 다섯 열 정도면 풀어져요. 근데 이거를 그냥 하시지 마시고 꼭 드셔보세요. 이렇게 찬물에 넣어서 실수하지 마시고.
Hot boiled water. He's saying it's very short time.
열세면 안 되겠네. 20은 세야겠네. 한 1시간 2시간 이상 담궈놓으면 금방 되는데 이거 지금 시작하기 한 30분 전에 담근 거라 얼마 안 됐어요. 아직 안 됐어요. 아마 이 방송 보시면서 씁쓸한 기억 나시는 분 있을 거예요. 죽어라 재료 다 준비해놨는데 결국 묻혀놨더니 당면이 막 따깍따깍따깍 찔겨갖고 그래놓고 친구들한테는 난 당면이 좀 오독오독한 게 좋더라. 이거 말도 안 되는 뚱뚱한 사람. 볼 것 같은데 완전히 식잖아요. 그럼 더 딱딱해. 자, 이 상태로 해서 뭐야? 아까 우리 준비 다 끝났습니다 이제. 뭐야? 아까 우리 많이 삶았는데 이거밖에 안 나오잖아요. 준비 다 끝났습니다 이제.
Okay, so this is it. As I said, preparing all the vegetables like 30 to 1 hour, but actually cooking time with the seasoning, everything, mixing, and I would say 10 to 15 minutes only. And again, this is really popular Korean food, common food in Thanksgiving, Korean Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching.